Yesterday, Chum and I bought a collectible bourbon barrel that we decided to transform into something functional with local woodworker Ricky Plowman.
We didn't give him a lot of time though, so I'm checking in to see how it's going.
Hey Ricky, how's it going?
Good, buddy. How you doing?
Doing all right. I'm wondering where we're at with the barrel.
We've been refurbishing it. We got a little sanding done on it, got the rings all cleaned up, and then we got the door cut out. That's what the inside of a barrel looks like. We're going to put LED lights in it. We're going to have a middle shelf with a Lazy Susan, and we'll get stain and 3 coats of gloss poly, which will make it look like a nice piece of furniture.
All right, that sounds really cool. Are we going to be able to meet that deadline? I can't be in Kentucky forever.
It's going to be a little tricky, but I think we can get it done for you on time.
Okay, look, I'm going to be quite honest with you. You know, Chumley's been a friend of mine for a long time, and he's kind of a weird guy, but he's missing his dog. Do we have any extra pieces left from that barrel that we could use to make Chumley a little something for his dog Pinky?
Yes, I'll have a little extra pieces from this barrel to make him something nice.
Not too nice. Marginally nice.
Okay, I got you. Well, I'm gonna tell you, yours is gonna be over the hill, buddy. It's gonna be awesome. You're gonna love it.
I appreciate it, and I'll let you get back to work.
I appreciate you guys, and thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
All right, bye.